Daniel and the Lions. 但以理与狮子坑。
Long ago, there lived a young man named Daniel.
很久以前，有一位年轻人，名叫但以理。
Long ago, there lived a young man named Daniel. Daniel believed in God and trusted him every day.
但以理信奉上帝，并每天信靠他。
Daniel believed in God and trusted him every day. He was taken far from his home to the great city of Babylon.
他被带离家乡，来到宏伟的巴比伦城。
He was taken far from his home to the great city of Babylon. Even there, Daniel chose to follow God's ways.
即使在那里，但以理仍选择遵行上帝的道路。
Even there, Daniel chose to follow God's ways. He prayed to God every morning and evening.
他每天早晚都向上帝祷告。
He prayed to God every morning and evening. Daniel worked honestly and treated everyone kindly.
但以理做事诚实，待人善良。
Daniel worked honestly and treated everyone kindly. The king saw that Daniel was wise and trustworthy.
国王看出但以理既有智慧，又值得信任。
The king saw that Daniel was wise and trustworthy. Soon, Daniel was given an important position.
不久，但以理被任命为重要的官员。
Soon, Daniel was given an important position. Other officials became jealous of him.
其他官员开始嫉妒他。
Other officials became jealous of him. They wanted to get rid of Daniel but found no faults in him.
他们想除掉但以理，却找不到他的错。
They wanted to get rid of Daniel but found no faults in him. Then they noticed that Daniel always prayed to God.
于是，他们注意到但以理每天一定会向上帝祷告。
Then they noticed that Daniel always prayed to God. They tricked the king into making an unfair law.
他们欺骗国王，立下一条不公平的法律。
They tricked the king into making an unfair law. The law said no one could pray to God for many days.
法律规定，在一段时间内不准向上帝祷告。
The law said no one could pray to God for many days. Daniel knew the law was wrong, but he still prayed to God.
但以理知道这条法律不对，但仍然向上帝祷告。
Daniel knew the law was wrong, but he still prayed to God. The jealous officials accused Daniel of breaking the law.
嫉妒他的官员立刻告发但以理。
The jealous officials accused Daniel of breaking the law. The king was sad, but the law could not be changed.
国王很难过，但法律已经无法改变。
The king was sad, but the law could not be changed. Because of the unfair law, Daniel was placed in a lion's den.
因为这条不公平的法律，但以理被丢进狮子坑。
Because of the unfair law, Daniel was placed in a lion's den. Daniel prayed, and God protected him through the night.
但以理祷告，上帝整夜保守他。
Daniel prayed, and God protected him through the night. The next morning, Daniel was safe and unharmed.
第二天早上，但以理安然无恙。
The next morning, Daniel was safe and unharmed. Daniel showed that trusting God is more important than fear.
但以理让人明白信靠上帝比害怕更重要。
Daniel showed that trusting God is more important than fear.